This tutorial will show you how to set up the Canvas Gradebook so you can enter grades for students to see online. Click on Grades to see the Canvas Gradebook. If you have never used the Canvas Gradebook, it will look something like this. The assignments column there is an automatic subtotal column for once you start adding assignments. Adding columns to use the Gradebook feature begins with adding assignments. To get to assignments from grades, click on your course name here, then Assignments. In case you're wondering, the icon with the eye and line through it means that navigation item cannot be seen by students, either because it has no content or you've hidden it in your navigation settings. Add an assignment shell by clicking on the plus button parallel and to the right of the assignment group name. It is called a group name because you can actually have multiple groups of assignments. This is useful if you have set up your grading scheme in categories of assignments like reflections, quizzes, exams, papers, etc. If you would like to use assignment groups, check out the Canvas instructor guides. After you click the plus button, a pop-up box will appear. Keep the type assignment for now. Choose a name, assign a due date, or post dated if you are entering grades from a previous time, and add points. Click Save and Publish. Now let's check out the gradebook. You should see the new column. From here, you can start entering grades by clicking on the column cell you wish to edit. Then click on the rectangle with the arrow in it to open the grade detail tray. If you cannot click on the column and there is this red unpublished notice here, then the assignment was simply saved. You can always go back to Assignments and publish the assignment by clicking on the circle with a line through it so it turns green with a check mark inside. So once you are in the grade detail tray, you can cycle through students using this arrow here, cycle through assignments if you have multiple using this arrow. And this is also one of the places where you can find Speedgrader, which is used when rubrics are attached to an assignment, like in the General Education Student Learning Outcome Assessment at CGCC. When you enter a grade in this box, you either have to click inside the comment box, click on one of the arrows at the top next to the student name or assignment name, or click one of the statuses to refresh the grades. And then if you would like to use the comment box, you have to submit the comment after you enter it. Keep in mind that students will receive a notification that you have graded an assignment if they have notifications on. Please see the tutorial on grade posting policy or consult the Canvas instructor guides if you would like to postpone students receiving a notification until you choose. As always, the CTLA team is just a click, call, or walk away. Happy grading!